Hello mga ka-amazing, mga ka-forever. Ang dami nagre-request sa akin na mag-grocery haul daw ako. Sige, pagbibigyan ko kayo, ma-pantry tour na din tayo. Kasi ang dami nagme-message na ipakita daw yung mga grocery ni Mami Jack. Nag-grocery ako either every month, isa sa Pure Gold, isa sa SNR. Kasi hindi lahat ng kailangan is nasa SNR, hindi lahat ng need nasa Pure Gold. So ayan. Dito kami sa Pure Gold. Nagpapa-online delivery din ako. Eh, kulang yung mga chinek out ko. Kaya ngayon, si Ate Digna, ito si Ate Digna, namimili ulit. Okay, so, eto siya. Nandito yung mga collections ko na miniature alcohol. Collection ni Rico yan. Ayan, tapos ito yung mga glasses, kung ano-ano pang mga cheese something, Starbucks, miniature Starbucks, tapos yan, mga boards, mga plastic, and sa taas, tissue, plates, placemat, charger plates, kasi yung ibang plates nandun sa kabila, I'll show you guys later. And, ayan. As you can see, mukhang magulo, kasi I chose transparent boxes. Sabi ni Marie Kondo kasi, napanood ko kay Marie Kondo, na you can choose, mas organize yung mga ratan, and wooden box, but eto kasi mas nakikita namin agad yung hinahanap namin. Kaya I chose this one. Okay, so nag-invest talaga ako ng mga transparent boxes na yan. Magkano ba nagastos ko dyan? Siguro mga 16,000 for the transparent boxes. So if you want to add it on your pantry, it's nice. So yan, bigas, yan. Tapos ito yung mga gamit pang luto. And ano ba to? Mga ano to, bago to. Lunchbox ng mga anak ko. Ayan, bago, Barbie. Tapos, oops, ayan, hot sauce, mga palaman, and mga gamot, mga panggisa, cheese board, more tissue, ang aking gold spoon and fork, and mga sabon, Downy. Ito ko nilalagay yung mga smeg and mga Le Creuset na gamit. Ayan, mga baso, wine glass, cereals. Walang laman yung iba kasi naubos na. Sobrang simple siya. Hindi na ako nag-hoard. Ito na siya. I stopped buying. So, sama-sama na to. Nandito na yung mga toiletries, yung mga soaps na kailangan, tissue and everything. And yan, yung mga gamit sa Christmas, mga cover, andyan na yan lahat. Alam mo yung feeling na parang collect ka lang ng collect tapos hindi mo naman nagagamit. Ayoko nung ganun. So gusto ko ginagamit talaga siya lahat. Pagka may event dito sa bahay, pinupuno ko yan ng drinks na gusto nila Rico. That's my mini pantry. So ito yung mga plates ko na na-collect. So again, I stopped collecting. So hanggang dito na lang ako. Pero sa mga nanonood, pwede kayo mag-gift. Ayan. Okay, so, ayan, dami pa plates sa ilalim. My favorite pink plates pag birthday ng mga girls, namin ng mga girls. Tapos, ito pang Christmas plates. Ayan, mga limited edition na plates. Cake, lalagyan ng cake. And of course, there you go. My Smeg collection, coffee, stuff collection. Ito may oven din ako na Smeg ko. Ayan siya. Smeg. Tapos, ito yung from Ava Living. Dishwasher from Kula. Itong pinaka-best investment sa lahat. Yung Kula. You have to invest. Grabe yan. Ito, low-carb rice cooker. And of course, here's my ref. My freezer. Ayan. Loyal tayo sa Pure Foods. Sa SMFI. Loyal sa Pure Foods. Ice cream. May yellow, syempre. Importante. Old school na yellow. Pizza and more food. Mga seafoods here. There. Mga meat. And di ko alam kung may laman to at kung maayos. Ako walang laman. Okay. And mga fruits, veggies. Okay, so water dyan. So alam nyo guys, hindi ako masyadong nag-hoard na ng food kasi ayoko na nag-e-expire. Bago pa mag-expire yan, dapat napamigay na namin yan. Siguro 2 months before the expiration, tapos kung hindi naman talaga nagagamit ka, kailangan napamigay na namin yan. Alam niya nila, Digna, ayoko nang may natitirang food sa ref. Kaya puro bago yung ref namin. Kaya onti yung laman kasi gusto ko ubos lahat. Hindi ako nag-stock. Wala lang kaming fruits ngayon dahil di pa nakakapamili ng fruits. Pero most of the time, puro fruits talaga yung laman ng ref. May ice cream kasi lagi din request ng mga kids. Luto na si Ate Digna. Tokpat baboy and tinola. So there you go guys. I hope that you enjoyed the pantry tour and grocery haul. Meron din ako dito sa taas, katabi ng office ko at ng room namin na it's actually a chiller. So, meron kaming drinks dito. May, tsaka mga, ubos na yung collagen ko. Pero, most of the time, punong-puno to ng collagen drink. Hi guys! So, galing ako sa Manila. Nag-grocery ako doon. Yes, eto, papakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko sa Steak Options PH. Ang may-ari nito si Arvin Tolentino at saka si Brandy Kramer Tolentino. So, I supported them and I got steak and sausage sa kanila. I also got here pala, teka, pinalagay ko din. Muscat na grapes, favorite, and another grapes, candy grapes ang tawag dito. Okay, wait. Here's from Domestic Cupcakes. Check this out. The kids can eat it na. Oh, go, kain na. Avocado, ate. Kainin natin yun. And, my favorite, your favorite. Wow! Strawberry. I also got sweet potato. Yeah, yummy, yummy. And then here, I got ribeye steak. So, ito, Australian ribeye. And ribeye steak, USDA. This is 1,900, 2 pieces na. This is 1, 2, dalawang piraso na. Kapal. I also had this. I got sausages. So, ilalagay ko lang sa freezer. Woohoo! Sorry, no?
My favorite grapes.
Bagong hugas. O, go. Eat na.
Mom, I ate grapes earlier.
Yummy. I'm gonna put in the ref. May feeling, chef.
Steak Option PH.
Shut up, shut up.
Shut up nga para sa inyo. Shut up sa inyo, Brandy at Arvin. Mabuhay kayo hanggang kailan nyo gusto.
Hello everyone! We are here at Bonifacio High Street. Used to be our gala place when we used to live in Mahogany Place Street, Taguig. So, dati lagi kami nandito. Dito lumaki si Kalel tsaka si Harper. I'm going to Alina for my aligners. But first, we're gonna get some bread, pastries, and coffee and chocolate here at 7. You know why 7 Coffee? Kasi they have 7 kinds of drinks inside. And what's your favorite here?
Iced chocolate.
Iced chocolate. Okay, so we're gonna take iced chocolate. Let's go. Oh, go. You choose. Coffee. That's coffee bun. How about cookies?
I want Nutella.
How about
I
cookies?
want cookies.
Okay, cookies.
I want this.
How was it?
Good. This is the one that I tasted last time.
Wow, cookies. Like it? Yummy. Good job. So, we're getting a bubble bath soap. Sobrang bango! Love it! Hello! I'm here at Alina BGC for my aligners. And it's my 6th set. I'll show you how aligners work. I'm with the kids. I'm with my girls. Hello, darling! This is my friend. Hi! I'm so excited. So it's my Alina visit today here at Bonifacio High Street again. This is my 6th set of aligners. So as you can see, I have crooked teeth. Ayan. And may mga attachment yung teeth ko. It's a luxury smile actually, and it's really a life-changing for me. I was hesitant before kasi I'm choosing between braces or aligners. I realized that it suits my lifestyle more, so I decided to get aligners. I'll show you their 3D scanner. It's the best. It's so amazing. It's so high-tech. Thank you, Doc and Doc. And the scanner. So I'm done with my scanning today. Guys, andito na kami. Mahirap pa kami lakad ng lakad. Nasaan na kayo? Walang sumasagot.